How to Google image search on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, search for the application Google. If you do not have it, you can simply move into Google Chrome as well. Once you're in the homepage of Google Chrome, you will see the camera icon right over here. Click on it. It will give you the access to the camera. You can click the picture that you want to search or simply tap on this icon and it will open up the gallery. Once you're inside the gallery, select any of the picture that you want to search. Now wait for a while for it to load. And there you go. The searching of the picture has been done. If you scroll down, tons of different stuffs related to your photo will be available to you. You can move into any one of it and check over it. So this is simply how you can Google image search on iPhone. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.